कहा कि 144 का मतलब पब्लिक असेंबली नहीं, तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि मैं ये सब जो कांग्रेस वाले हैं इनको यहाँ रोक दूंगा, आप मुझे अकेला जाने दीजिए। मैं वो पब्लिक असेंबली नहीं होती है, 144 में अकेला आदमी चल सकता है, वो मुझे धकेल के गिरा दिया।
रात को 2:30 बजे राहुल जी, रात को 2:30 बजे अगर आग दी जाती है विक्टिम को, रात को 2:30 बजे अग्नि दी गई, चिता लगाई गई, परिवार के विशेष कहते हैं, आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, मैं उस परिवार से जाके मिलना चाहता हूँ, बस मैं उस परिवार से मिलना चाहता हूँ, और मैं बता रहा हूँ ये मुझे रोक नहीं पाएंगे।
योगी जी ने कहा कि उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री के कहने पे एसआईटी बिठा दी है, क्या इतना काफी है? प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा जल्दी,
वो सब ठीक है, मगर मैं उस परिवार से जाके मिलूंगा।
लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री आप यहाँ से वापस नहीं जाने वाले?
और
उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस का
वो कोई क्राइम नहीं है।
जी सर, आप उत्तर प्रदेश के
Anand Patel live with me. Anand has been right there getting us a ringside view of this entire escalation right through today. Anand, Rahul and Priyanka heading back on the same highway that you are on right now. Any clarity on what their next step is? They tried to go today. The UP police pushed them back. They're heading back towards Delhi today. Are they going to keep this issue alive? Because they've got a lot of attention today.
Yes, absolutely, Shiv. They're going to keep this issue alive because the Congress party has given a clarion call to stage protests across the country against what has happened today. The high-handedness of the UP police, what we saw on the Yamuna Expressway. Rahul Gandhi was heckled, Priyanka Gandhi was heckled, and the manner in which the police treated them. Clearly, the Congress party is angry over there, and K.C. Venugopal, the organizational secretary, has tweeted and condemned the police action against the Gandhi siblings, and he has called all the Congress party workers to protest against the high-handedness of the police and the manner in which the Gandhis were stopped from marching towards Hathras. Shiv, the manner in which the police has acted is very, surprising. First, you allow them to enter the UP border through DND Plaza. They smoothly cross the border, and then the vehicles were stopped at the Yamuna Expressway entry point. If at all you didn't wanted them to allow them to go to Hathras, where section 144 was already there,
yes,
why did you allow them to enter the UP border and create so much chaos? Imagine the Yamuna Expressway highway, the traffic was halted for nearly 3 hours.
Yes.
Imagine the kind of inconvenience people would have faced. Yes, this is a political protest, and the Congress party is taking on the UP government. This is a political fight, but it is beyond reason the manner in which the police has acted, the administration has acted. It seems as if there was no clear instruction as to how to deal with this situation, and the officials completely were blanked as to how to stop the Gandhis. And out of desperation, when they saw the entire motorcade of the Gandhis followed by hundreds and thousands of Congress workers,
yes,
and the numbers kept swelling, by the time they reached Yamuna Expressway, the UP government and the administration realized this is going to turning out to be a big one, and that is why they stopped them at the entry point of Yamuna Expressway. And then the Gandhis tried to walk towards Hathras. Now that's a 2.5 hour journey. It's about 100 kilometers. It's very difficult to walk in this heat and humidity. And this is what Priyanka Gandhi was telling me, that she will walk all the way because the government is not allowing them to reach Hathras, where section 144 was imposed. And the Gandhis were saying they can walk alone, all alone. And even if there is 144,
I'm going to show our viewers, Anand, the map in just a moment, showing you where, the Yamuna Expressway is and what the distance is. It's more than 120 kilometers. If the Gandhis choose to walk, it'll take them, a whole day to actually get to Hathras. But they say they're willing to do that. Take a look at this map. It'll show you precisely, what we're talking about. That's Delhi. The Yamuna Expressway emerges out of the suburbs of Delhi and goes all the way to Hathras. It's a distance of 201 kilometers, and the time taken in a vehicle would be about 3 hours 47 minutes. And if Delhi is where they started from, and where they were stopped was somewhere on the Yamuna Expressway, which is just outside Delhi. But if they chose to walk all the way from the Yamuna Expressway to Hathras, where they needed to get out of their vehicle, it would take them close to 24 hours. So that's just to give you a sense of the distance that the Gandhis are saying they are willing to actually take to meet the family of the Hathras victim.